I use the Graphic 45 collection Spring is in the Air to make a new mini album. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to take you inside and show you what there is, but let's talk about the cover. First of all, it is an 8" by 8.5" mini album with a 2" spine, and there are 6 signatures, so 6 page features inside. On the cover, I've got a couple of the chipboard frames that I've made into shakers. I've also added some elements from the collection. Here's a butterfly from the chipboard, and there is a bunny that was fussy cut. We've got the sticker. No, it's not a sticker. That is from the ephemera that's popped up. And we've got a couple of the rub-ons here because they were fabulous. I did make some flowers using a Scrap Diva flower set. That's the fringe flower. It's a 5-petal flower. I forget which one that is. And I do have some ribbon on the front as well as a ribbon closure. So let me open this up. And let's go inside. So we've got some matching pages here in the inside front cover. There's a flap where you can see some of the rub-ons in the front. And this will take you right to a waterfall. So this has some styling on the bottom of the pages, but I don't have paper on the front and back, just to save some room, and plus you're going to add photos there. There's also a tuck spot up at the top with a journaling card or photo mat. Now over here we've got a side-loading pocket, and that bunny, it makes another great tuck spot, so you could add photos to here and add a little photo or journal on a scrap of paper and put it in there, or just add a little picture. So that is that, and that is held with a magnet closure. So here we've got a flap, and it's got a little room for journaling or a small photo. And that also comes up. And there is room there to put a small picture. And you can put a larger photo here if you wish. As well, you can put one here. And then this is a removable photo mat. You can add something on the back, and that basket from the ephemera makes a great little tuck spot. So as I said, there are 6 page styles, or 6 pages in here, and each one has a hidden pocket page. There are 3 with a side loading pocket and 3 with a top loading pocket. Let's take you to the back of page 1. So here are another one of the cut-aparts, a chipboard element, and this comes up and it gives you a tuck spot with another one of the stickers from the collection. That's a chipboard element on one of the cut-aparts. There are some rub-ons here as well as a couple of the pieces of ephemera. This comes up, revealing a nice spot for photos. And then this will open like that, and that is like that, because that is adorable. Love the color and the print on here. And this was from the ephemera, and it's just glued in such a way that it makes a nice little tuck spot. But there's more. This will open to the side, revealing another page where you could put photos. There are photo mats or journaling cards hidden inside this grouping, and you could take that out and add a photo here, or use that and journal on. So that page closes like that, and there is our hidden photo mat. Another group of pages where the colors just really tell the story. So this page has a side-loading pocket with a flap that opens up, so good spot to put small photos or journaling, and you could put a larger photo here. You could do a portrait photo or a landscape, whichever you prefer, and then room on the back to put another picture. And then 2, if you have more photos, you can just add them in the pocket. So this paper had a lot of details, and it lended itself to having a stacked belly band. We have a chipboard frame here, just an image from one of the cut-aparts. Here is a a 4x6 cut apart. You could put a photo on back here, or even on the front if you wanted to. And then here is the photo mat, and at the same time I pulled out the hidden pocket page. So that will go down on the bottom, and this can go on the top. So more of that beautiful green color. This will open over to the side, and this will open that way, giving you room to put 3 4x6 photos with no problem, or even some smaller ones if you wish. This is open, so you could add something underneath there. Love this detail with the stamps from the collection that was cut from one of the pages. It's popped up on some chipboard, and that is popped up on a chipboard element. There's room here to put a photo, more of the stamps, because Graphic 45 does those stamps, and they are beautiful. So we've got this page with the rabbits, and there is a cut apart, a photo mat, and there is a cut apart and a photo mat in this belly band, which is in the front of this flap. And then the top of it has a little pocket. The bottom of it has another little pocket. There's a little tuck spot here with just a couple of the stamps in there. And then this will open like this, revealing small pockets on both sides. So you can use these as journaling spots, or add small photos, or do both. There are some cut aparts there, cut aparts there, and a cut apart there. And then this bunny was a good size. He was from the ephemera, and there is a great spot to either tuck the journaling cards or add a photo and have this bunny sort of be part of the photo. Wouldn't that be fun? So this will close, that goes up, and that closes, and there is the hidden photo mat. On the back of page 5, we just have some of this paper, which was just gorgeous, to give you room to put a photo, and there is a chipboard element which makes a tuck spot. That's another one of the journaling cards. This will come up, this will come down, a couple more spots here. I just love the colors. I always like this fuchsia color with the navy blue. It's just pretty. So here we have another stacked belly band chipboard element on top. Here is a photo mat, and here is another photo mat, or you could use this for a journaling card if you want to. So that will go like that, and that will go underneath there. The elements in this collection just made it easy to decorate. And here we have a flap with a pocket. It's held together with a magnet. This will come up. There's a large size photo mat there, and this is a great spot to put all those other photos or memorabilia that you didn't have room for, although I can't imagine you didn't in the rest of the album. Here is the back cover. I used some of this gorgeous paper, and that is a chipboard element with some ribbon. And there is a bunny with a couple of flowers tucked in there, and then that brings us back to the front of the album and back to where we can tie it again. So it was a very fun album to make. The paper from Graphic 45 was gorgeous. Again, this is called Spring is in the Air, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.